Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add an email to your Wix website. This is useful for connecting with your visitors, setting up contact forms, and keeping your communication professional. Let's get started on your Wix dashboard. To add a business email, all we need to do is click on Settings in the lower left part of the dashboard. Here, you can see it. We will look for the Business Mail option. Once we click on it, we will be taken to the Business Email section. Before we continue, we need to make sure we already have a domain so we can connect the business email to it. Once we have that, we simply click Connect, and our business email will be linked to our Wix site. That is how we add an email to a Wix website. With this simple setup, we can stay connected with our audience and manage messages in a more professional way.